Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys for all your support, for subscribing to the channel, sharing the video, and commenting. Thank you for sticking it out with me. It's been almost a year now since I've been a creator, and I have enjoyed it, every bit of it. Thank you all. Now let's jump in. Guys, we're going to start off with a cardboard box. Here I'm going to actually be cutting this cardboard box in half. As you can see, I'm starting on one side, cutting it down the middle. That way I have two even sides. Okay guys, I'm going to take it and I'm going to just fold it. Okay guys, what I'm doing, I'm trying to see how big I want this to be. So I'm going to cut it probably right here. And you can make it however big you want. Just make sure you get enough skewers for the project. But this other piece, I'm going to actually be using this for a bottom piece. So I'm going to just fold the ends. I'm going to be gluing this sides together. I have some roll-on glue here. I'm not for sure how good it is, but we're going to follow it up with our hot glue. I'm just going to stick it on, press down. Okay, it's holding pretty good. I add a little more hot glue. Make sure my edges are nice and smooth. Okay, you want to kind of get it in that round position. Okay guys, I'm going to place it on top of the piece that I cut off. And I'm just going to make a circle. And I'm going to be trimming this out here. I'm going to be placing it at the bottom. If it doesn't fit, continue to trim until it fits inside. And as you can see, I'm just trimming off a little bit. Alrighty, this works. Now I'm going to take my hot glue and just add a little bit around the edge of it. I'm going to take my clear tape and go around the bottom. Okay, this is how it looks. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you these skewers that I'm going to be using on top of it. But I'm going to go ahead and place my foam in the inside. Okay. Guys, I have my pop dot tape that I'm going to be using. I'm going to place some around the top. I'm going to place some down to the bottom. And you will want to stand this up, that way all your sticks will be even. And as you can see, I left the tip on there, but I'm thinking I have a little gap here in the middle, so I'm gonna add some more pop dot tape. And you can add as much pop dot tape all around. I'm using what I have right now, so which this pop dot tape is giving it a very secure hold. Okay guys, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna finish it. Okay guys, I got them all on here, and I do have a little gap in the middle of it, so I'm gonna just take some of my E6000 and just put some in between the gaps. I'm going to take my twine and just tie it around. That way it holds them to my bamboo sticks together. And I'm just twisting it. And I'm going to add hot glue here on the end of the twine. That way it holds it in place. I'm going to start up here at the top. Oh, missing a skewer. Just stick it back in there. Now I'm going to take my twine and I'm going to do a weaving pattern here. I'm just going to hot glue the twine and wrap it around one bamboo stick, and I'm just going to take it and wrap it around the other one, and then hot glue and then press them together. This will take a little time, but you want each one of these bamboo sticks secure. And all you have to do is just add a dab of glue in between once you twist the twine around the bamboo skewer. You'll complete this cycle all the way around. Okay guys, this is how it's looking. So I'm going to add twine here at the top, the middle, and the bottom. Okay guys, here it goes. As you can see, I did add some glue into the inside, that way I have a very secure hole around the edge. Here's the look guys. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments below. Everything that I use will be linked in the description box below. If y'all enjoy this DIY, like, comment, share. Also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a video. And I'm wishing you guys love, peace, and happiness. See you in the next one.